your mark, get set, go!
Hey guys, we are back with another video, and as you can see, we are outside and it is snowing.
In April
In Chicago. But we should be used to this right now, right? Crazy weather. So today our challenge is, oh my god, I can't see all the snow. Today our challenge is racing each other down the block.
In the snow.
Well, it just so happened it snowed on the day I had planned for us to race each other. So I said, I mean, why not? This could be like the ice bath challenge, but you know, running is snow. I'm not trying to get you sick. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. Let's just have some fun, right? Right, guys? Okay, that's exactly what's about to happen. So let's get ready to race. You ready to race?
No, but I win.
You what?
I win.
You're gonna win? Okay, well, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. You gotta warm up.
Stretch.
You gotta stretch. Okay, I'm gonna stretch too.
Why are you stretching your arms?
Cause I gotta stretch my whole body. I gotta. You ready?
Okay, come on.
How far are we racing?
We just gonna waste down there.
A little past that big old green tree.
Okay.
Green tree.
You to the right.
No, we ain't going that far. We going right there. We going right there. Oh, I'm gonna be on this side. This is my good side.
Take your mark, get set, go!
How'd you run so fast to the stop? My ankle. Jesus.
Guys, that was not a far one. Are you kidding?
I feel like I'm out of shape. That was really hard. I almost died.
That was very far.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Set, go.
You can't push.
Come on, finish it. Babe. You lost to an old man and you lost to a teenage girl.
I know, I'm ashamed. Okay, guys. Well, clearly I lost this challenge, but I'm coming back.
You lost an old man and a teenage girl.
I'm coming back with a vengeance. I am. So, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and
Subscribe.
you can't even say it with conviction.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe! Oh, bye, guys. Oh, God. Oh,
Let's go back inside.
I need something to drink. Something stiff.